Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a first look at the Asus Prime B660M Wi-Fi D4 motherboard. Okay, let's get started. I will just open the box and take the accessories out. The first thing you have here is a Wi-Fi antenna. Let's just get the motherboard aside. And we have the I/O shield. We have some M.2 screws. 2 SATA cables for hard disk. And a user manual with a good old disk. And here we have the motherboard. Well, let's see. It's not that beefy as the Strix one I made a video about, but it's looking quite nice for a budget B660. We have the same silver looking design as we always have on the Prime series. We have an 8-pin power connector for the CPU, and I believe it's a 7+1 VRM phase. So 7 VRM phase for the CPU and 1 for the iGPU. Asus doesn't really tell you what it is, but this is plenty to be running even a 12900, as this motherboard can't even overclock. What do we else have? We have 4 DIMMs, support up to 128 gigabyte, 24-pin power connector here. And how many fan headers do we have? We have 2 in the top, and we have 1 on the side here, and the last one should be over here. Yeah, we have 4 power connectors, fan connectors, so that's fine as well. We will have 2 M.2 connector. We have 1 M.2 slots there and 1 here in the bottom. So they are both running PCI Gen 4, so that's nice. For expansion slots, we have 1 PCI Gen 5 for the GPU and 2 PCI Gen 3 right here for storage devices and stuff like that. And we have, let's see, what about RGB? We have 4 RGB connectors, 2 in the side here, and then we have 2 in the bottom right here. 2 with our sync and 2 with the adjustable RGB for MSI and other brands. We have 4 SATA connectors, yes, 2 right here and 2 here. 1 USB-C front connector and 2, we should have 2 USB 3.0 front connectors. We have 1 right here and 1 in the bottom. What about the I/O? And the I/O, we are running a DisplayPort, 2 HDMI, we're running 4 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, really long name, PS2 port, Wi-Fi 6, not Wi-Fi 6E, and audio in and out, no optical audio. Well, that's it for the first look of this Prime motherboard. I will be doing a budget gaming build with this, so don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.